Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a video that I never thought I was gonna record, but yeah, the time has come for me to part ways with Patty, my beloved Audi TT. Many reasons why. I might do a deeper dive at some point. It's been a labor of love, this car. Everybody that has a TT knows that it's that way. A lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun restoring it and making it better. And but yeah, the time has come for me to do something different. It's been many years with me. The car is sound, is fully sorted. I fixed the issue with the ABS pump, which was the last issue I had, and it's time for somebody else to enjoy it and maybe create new experiences with it, make some other changes perhaps. As far as I'm concerned, it was a project car, and for me the project is finished. So yeah, I could still have fun with the car, but it's an opportunity maybe to get something different. So many followers of Patty, as I call it, on the internet, and I still have many pictures and video footage that I will probably be posting. But yeah, I mean, those times are not easy. I thought about it a lot, and I think it's time. It's time because the car is good and somebody else can enjoy it. I don't want to wait many more years until the car is probably more troublesome. Hopefully not. These cars are solid once they're sorted. Everybody that has one knows that. And I've recorded, like 50 or more videos about the things I've done with the car. I think as the project is finished, again, time for me to do something different. I just cleaned it, had it ready, and yeah, either there's gonna be a buyer that I know, which will be an incredible scenario, a local person that I trust, and that will take care of Patty, and I will still get to see her, or it's gonna be sold to somebody else, maybe out of state, and that's a different scenario. But yeah, what can I say? Everybody that knows me knows how much I love this car, and yeah, and the time has come. So I'm gonna put some footage here that I gathered over the years of Patty in action. I'm gonna remind people to look at some of the videos, particularly the ones where I've described everything I've done to the car, which was a lot of fun. Again, I've had a lot of fun with it, but yeah, time to do something different that you're gonna hear about on the channel, and hopefully you'll still like the content and the new experiences. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with some footage of Patty, and we'll talk soon. Probably do a car chat episode with my friend Carlos and talk about the decision making and why I made that decision and whatnot. But until then, enjoy some of the memories from Patty, and thank you for always following and following her on Instagram. Thank you.